This is my coursework submission for module 1042 Mobile Phone Technologies. This is a Arduino based system which allows any heat lamp incubator to be turned into an automated system. During the recording of this video, the SMS Gateway, which allows SMSs to be sent from the Arduino to the web server, wasn't working, but this allows for demonstrations later in the video to show how the system actually works. Start off with a setup procedure which has been cut from this video, which connects the Arduino to the mobile network. Text currently being shown on screen is a setup text which wipes the current table displayed on the web server, which will be shown later, to the Arduino's default state. The text being shown now is a log SMS, which is set by default to send a log every minute. This can be changed to 5, 10 or 20 minutes by the user. The SMS which is being received now is informing the user that the lamp has been turned on, which in the actual application would be the incubator lamp being turned on. This would be due to the temperature being lower than the minimum set. This is an SMS which has been sent informing the user that the lamp has now been turned off due to the temperature being too hot. The potentiometer is being used instead of a thermistor. This allows for accurate temperature changes, but the system would still work with a thermistor. That's a second log message which has been sent. I am now changing the login system to send a text message every 20 minutes. This needs user credentials to be filled in, so that's why currently there's nothing displayed. The login system has been changed to every 20 minutes, so no log messages will be sent until that 20-minute period has passed. I'm now demonstrating that the user can select to turn the lamp on and off manually. This again requires user credentials to be used, and that's the lamp turned on manually by the user. The user can also change the range to which the lamp's turned on if it gets too cold, or turned off if it's getting too hot. I'm now changing the maximum temperature. This means that the lamp would be left on longer. Again, this requires user credentials to be filled in. I'm just showing here that the minimum temperature has been unaffected, and now I can turn the potentiometer pretty much all the way around before the lamp's turned off, showing that the maximum temperature has been increased, and again the user will receive an SMS informing that the lamp's been turned off. Again, I'd just like to remind you that the SMSs being sent to the phone would normally be sent to an SMS gateway, but due to it not working fully, it's being sent to the phone. I'm now just changing the minimum temperature. Again, user credentials being used, and due to the current temperature being below the new minimum, the lamp was turned on automatically. Thus the user received an SMS informing that the lamp had now been turned on again. Now just demonstrating that the auto login is still working by changing it back to a minute. Just had a quick jump there, and now in a couple of seconds an SMS will be sent from the Arduino to the phone. This is with the login message. There you go, login message received. Now these are the SMSs which have been received. These would normally be sent straight to the SMS server, but I'm going to show how they would interact. So I just showed you there the current table showing the current stats of the Arduino. This is where the lamp's on and off, min and max temperatures, and auto login, as I was just showing now there. This is what would normally be sent, the default setup of the Arduino to the current table. This is what is sent in the login message. It is the current temperature and whether the lamp's currently on or off. As you can see, logs being entered. This final message is sent when the lamp's turned on and off automatically due to the temperature going beyond or below the minimum max temperatures. It also updates the current table to the respective status of the lamp, and also a log message is added to the log.